Hi dear friends, welcome to the channel AkyBiotech. So today here again we are with a new topic for you, the gene expression that includes the Lac Operon, and this is a very important topic. Every year 2 to 3 questions are put out from this topic, and so kindly go through all these questions carefully, and I am very definite that you will get 1 to 2 questions from this. So let's start with the video. A network of operons with a common regulator is called as, this is known as regulon. First one is the correct answer. Second, allolactose is a disaccharide of D-galactose and D-glucose linked through. This is linked through. So the correct option is this one, beta-1,4 glycosidic linkage. Next, among the following, which statement is correct about the promoter of a gene? So the correct statement is, it is always located upstream of transcription start site, no. Then it is located downstream of translation start site, again no. So the correct statement is this one, C. Different promoter elements, they are recognized by different RNA polymerases. Next, number 4, lactose permease, the membrane protein which facilitates the transport of lactose from the external medium into the bacterial cell. This is, the correct option is, so out of this the correct option is the symporter. Next, number 5, isopropyl beta D 1-thioglycopyranoside, that is IPTG. So this is an inducer, we know. This is used to induce Lac Operon in molecular biology experiments. So what actually it is, the correct option is this one. It is a non-hydrolyzable analog of allolactose. 6. In a negatively regulated operon, the bound repressor will, so it will inhibit transcription. Number 7, the functional Lac repressor is a, so the correct option is this one, C part, tetramer of identical monomers. Number 8, the transcription of Lac repressor from the I gene is, so the correct one is, any guesses from all these 4? So it is independent of Lac Operon genes, I genes, that is the inducer genes. Number 9, the number of secondary binding sites for the Lac repressor in the Lac Operon is, so the correct one is this, it has 2 binding sites. Number 10, the fundamental characteristic of the CRP-CAMP complex and Lac repressor in Lac Operon is, the correct option is this one, A. CRP-CAMP is positive regulatory element, while Lac repressor is a negative regulatory element. Number 11, in the absence of glucose, the binding of CRP-CAMP complex to the region near to the Lac promoter will, so this will increase the transcription of Lac genes. Number 12, the strong induction of Lac Operon, this is favored by, so for the Lac Operon, to operate, what all we need? Any guesses from this? So it needs the presence of lactose, the absence of glucose, then only it will be induced, and in increased concentration of CRP, CAMP complex. So it needs lactose and the absence of glucose and an increased concentration of CRP, CAMP complex. So number 13, what will happen when E. coli cells are grown in a medium containing both glucose as well as lactose? So the correct answer is, if it contains both glucose and lactose, so correct answer is this one. Neither CAP nor the Lac repressor is bound to the DNA in this case. Number 14. The Lac repressor, again an important question asked many of the times. It's a very simple question, you just have to memorize it. Has which of the following DNA binding motif? We all know that this is HTH, that is the helix turn helix. Coming up to the next question. The absence of which of the following component will deduce the expression of Lac structural gene? So we have 4 options. Any guesses from this? This is again an important question. So A part is the correct answer itself, that is the Lac I gene product. Again an important question asked many of the times in the examination. Number 16, Lac Operon, it is an example of, so it is an example of, we know both positive and negative regulation, both these regulations take place in this. Then number 17, in the presence of lactose, how long does it take for the Lac Operon to be expressed? So the correct is, when lactose equals glucose concentration, this is, no, this one is not the true one. When lactose, glucose is more than, again not a true one. So, C1 is the correct, that is as long as lactose is more than the glucose concentration. So this will be expressed. Number 18, which of these acts as inducer of the Lac Operon? So the correct one is inducer of the Lac Operon, this is allolactose. Number 19, the sequence of the structural genes in the Lac Operon is, the correct one is, we know this, Lac, Z, Y and A. All these questions are very important. Number 18, number 19, all these questions have been asked many of the times in the examination. Number 20, regulation of the Lac Operon can be envisioned as regulation of enzyme synthesis by its, so by its lactose, correct option, substrate, correct option, and carbohydrates. So all of the above is the option. So Lac Operon will be turned on when? Again an important question asked many of the times. It is turned on when lactose is more than glucose. 22. In a cell, as per the operon concept, the regulator gene governs the chemical reactions by, the correct one is, it governs the chemical reactions by enzyme reaction inactivation. 23. In Lac Operon, the gene product of Lac A gene is, any guesses from this? So Lac A gene, the gene product is beta galactoside transacetylase. This one is the correct option. 24. This condition in Lac Operon facilitates the condition of Lac genes being transcribed at high levels. So, the correct option is low glucose, high lactose. This one is the correct one. The correct option regarding the Lac Operon in E. coli from the following is, the correct one is the Lac Operon messenger RNA is a polycistronic mRNA. This one is the correct one.